Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already meet basic prerequisites, so start by requesting the PIN now. Go to Payments and confirm your display name and full mailing address exactly as on your postal mail. Once done, click Request PIN in the verification area. The system queues a physical mailer to your country. Make sure the mailbox accepts small letters, and note that delivery typically takes 2 to 4 weeks, so don't request multiple PINs too fast or you risk delays. When the mail arrives, find the 6-digit PIN on the postcard and write it down. Next, sign in and navigate to Payments, then verify address and enter that exact 6-digit code. Do not include spaces or dashes. If the code is accepted, your address status changes immediately. If entry fails, double-check each digit and retry. Repeated failures may lock verification, so pause and confirm the printed characters before trying again to avoid wasted attempts. Once AdSense confirms the PIN, your address is verified and payment options become available, so add bank details or set up other payment methods right away. If the postcard doesn't arrive after 4 weeks, request a replacement PIN through the same dashboard. You can do this only a limited number of times. And if the printed address was wrong, correct it first and then request a new PIN. If you exhaust replacements, contact support with tracking details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.